expecting that. Excellent. So final band. We come to the final band of the day from Pembrokeshire College. The band's called Pyromitra. Formed in August 2025 by a group of friends with a shared love of new metal and definitely funk rock. They have played gigs around South Wales, including CWRW in Carmarthen, planning to play a few summer festivals as well. I think you're going to like them. From Pembrokeshire College, Pyromitra!
Cheers. We're Pyromitra. Hylicus. Took a walk outside with my newfound friend and my knowledge and body. I think it's shot with my new style, with my newfound friend. They call it attitude, but I swing wide open with the positive attitude. And the ink in my pocket has something to do with my newfound friend. They call it Hylicus, to be agility to block out. Only render renders all the leaders of our time. Listen with a syllabus and part of a thought. Maybe they should have a joke. Got to be self. Got to be so good to me. You got to be good. 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 Yeah. Yeah, it used to be agility to block out. Only render renders all the leaders of our time. Listen with a syllabus and part of a thought. Maybe they should have a go. Got to be strong. You got to be so good to me. You got to be good. 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 So good 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 to be good. That was the shiznit. We're Pyromitra. It's been some really good bands today. We really enjoyed it. It's been a really good time. The next one's called Immigrant Song. Freddie Arnold on the bass. Blow that! Gamble out, God. Ride our ships to new land. drums. We come from the land of the ice and snow, midnight sun, hot springs cold. Gosh, you feel so weak. You whisper tales of God and how they come in times of war. We are your Won't wait, sleep. Just you know, I'm on the go. West and soul. Thank you. Corey, 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 Corey. We've recently gone to Monkey Studios to record this next song. It's an original. It's called 2 Foot from the Floor, and it's about the current state of the United States of America. It's not very good. Real tune? Sound. 1, 2, 3, 4! Yeah! Check! When you break the wall, do something sick. Align yourself with this new sentiment. Not that hard, you'll get up quick. All you gotta do is blink. Just avoid tax draw altogether. Making out the sort of joke getter. You act smart, you come off dumb. Look what I've become. Spin around and kick it up. Staring at the moon and an empty cup. It's okay, you've had enough. Staring at the floor and up. Swing it around, back that up. Staring at the floor and an empty cup. You two-faced plastic. Staring at the floor and up. Yeah, that's my man. Just who you are something. Give a kid, man. That's you doing something. Going down, man. Yeah, that's okay. But don't expect me to cooperate. People come, they go. They book us flights and take us home. They want your money, they want your soul. But everyone in my pocket is full of hope. Spin around and kick it up. Staring at the floor and an empty cup. It's okay, you've had enough. Staring at the floor and up. Swing it around, back it up. Staring at the floor and an empty cup. You plastic. Floor and an empty cup. It's just a floor and an empty cup. It's just a floor and too bad. I don't care enough. It's just a floor and an empty cup. Too bad. I don't care enough. It's just a floor and an empty cup. It's just a floor and an empty cup. It's just a floor and an empty cup. Too bad. You had enough. It's just a floor and an empty. It's just a floor and an empty one. It's just a floor and an empty one. Too bad. You had enough. Floor and an empty. Swing it around and kick it up. Staring at the floor and an empty cup. It's too bad. You had enough. Staring at the floor and up. Swing it around. Now back it up. Staring at the floor and an empty cup. You two-faced plastic. Staring at the floor and up. Floor and an empty cup. It's just a floor and up. It's just a floor and an empty cup. Just a floor and an empty. Cheers.
If you're looking for your T-shirt, it's up there. Well done, good shot. Pyra Mitra from Pembrokeshire College. Okay, to the judges as soon as the microphone is on.
One, two, one, two, one, two, one, two. Oh, we're through.
Brooke Fox,
Cool.
please.
Hello, hello. That was amazing. Off the bat, out the gate, you just brought the energy straight away. It was literally infectious. I couldn't stop moving in my seat. You've got a really unique sound as well. You made that cover, the two covers, your own as well. So you should be really proud of that performance. And I'm really excited for that single of yours, or any new music. I'll be listening.
Straight over to Sam.
Yo, I really enjoyed that. That was cool. Such a mad blend of influences. You know, I was hearing some Zach De La Rocha in there, some Sam Mayer's Limp Bizkit. You know, loved the Kill Switch stuff on the guitar, and the drumming was really tight. I loved the energy from the start. Yeah, it was class. Please carry on doing, because yeah, I'd love to see what you guys are going for you in the future, because yeah, it's going to be heavy, fun, and good. So congratulations.
Finally from Simon.
I hope you stretched your Achilles before jumping around like that. You'll do yourself an injury. That was a proper sugar rush. It was great, really persuasive. I think Brooke said infectious. I wrote that down too. What I like about you lot is you're all, all four of you are front men. It's not just one of you. You're all in that. You know, it's really, really persuasive. You know your songs really well. You lock in really well together. I think that was an awesome finish to an awesome day. Well done.
Ladies and gentlemen, Pyra Mitra. Great. So